I made this hacky sack. I'm going to show you how I did it. In 1983, Mother Earth News had an article on how to make your own foot bag. Find this pattern using some of these directions, using my own material, leather, as well as sinew, the pattern that you could find in the article on motherearthnews.com. Now, to get it the size that it's meant to be, with each square equaling 1/2 inch, I set the margins on the print to 1.5 inches for each side. Now we'll cut out this pattern and get to cutting our leather and fabric. As you can see, I'm cutting along the cut line. And here's your pattern. We have a couple different thicknesses of leather here. This brown leather is a little bit thicker. This green is material. I have this yellow. So we'll start with the brown, as it would likely be easier to both cut and thread. So I'll be wanting to position them in the same way that Ann Dixon has them in this article. So I'll take one instruction on this here. Then this right here is a box of floss. I'll be using this sinew. And then here are my scissors, which look as though they may be the exact same scissors from 1983. Now that we have about an inch and a half of space left to go, and turn this baby inside out, and then we shall fill her up. I got a couple options here. Like I mentioned in the article, I got some popcorn, and I don't have any mung beans, but I do have Good Mother Stallard beans. I'm thinking the popcorn's gonna work a little bit better, so we'll go with that for this one. We can try out the beans and another one. I want to overfill it. There we go. Smells pretty good. Maybe just the right amount, actually. Yep, that feels good. It's about 2 tablespoons. Finished product.